So y'all, I have to cut my hair. I want to record it because it's like mine. I've never had a cut like I'm about to do now, which is crazy. I seen this girl. She just, you know, she did it herself, but I don't want to do it myself because I can't see the back. So I'm gonna have my husband do it. And then on my diet, I think I'm gonna go back red. I think it's my favorite color on here. So, what I'm about to do, cut the hair. Well, I feel like this is gonna be so cute. My little cute little cut. You know what I mean? Okay. I seen how that girl in that video. How she cut. She was just cutting. I can't do like that because I don't want to be like. I don't want to be like that. So much going on over here. Guys, so we're just cutting shot. I'm gonna leave the top like I want like a little. Hey y'all, so yeah, this is like part 2 of my haircut. So off camera I dyed and bleached my hair. I dyed it twice because some of the intense red that I had was like a mixture. So now I dyed it with some intense red, but the intense red was somewhat of a mixture, so I went back in with some rich amber and I got this red, and this is the same red I had before. It may be a little bit darker, but it's fine. What I'm gonna do is, well, not what what I'm about to do is wait for the barber to come get me. I'm not gonna record I'm in there, just because I just don't want to put my phone out. I don't know. This is a new shot. I've never been here before, so I'm just gonna, just play it cool, you know. So I will come back on the camera when my hair is cut. But I'm going to insert here the look I'm kind of going for. The actual look I was trying to do when I first cut my hair, that's out the window. Like, I can't get that. I cut my hair too short on this side, so it's not gonna happen. So I found some really like short hair, but I still got a little bit of hair at the top that I'm able to like curl up. I did get some like activator stuff, so hopefully it all turns out good. But guys, just stay tuned for the final look. Yeah.